Hey everyone, in this video, I'll show you how to discover your top spending customers in Putler. Let's get started. First, log into your Putler account. Then, go to the customer's dashboard. Choose the date range you want to analyze. Here, I'm selecting last year to see which customers made the most revenue over the entire year. On the left-hand side, you'll find predefined filters, also known as facets. Scroll until you find Revenue Contribution. You will see revenue ranges with the number of customers shown in brackets. This instantly tells you which group spends the most. Now, this is my dummy data, and here I'm selecting the greater number equals $212.76. In brackets, you'll see a number. For example, 56. That means 56 customers have placed orders worth more than $212.76. Now, click on that group, and now, in the Customer List view, you'll see details of only those 56 customers. Here's what to do with this list. These are the ones who love my brand and bring in 80% of our revenue. So I can use these lists for email marketing tool campaign or a VIP offer, and also to understand what products your best customers love most. Next, if you want to save this data, go to the top right corner and click on the download icon to export a CSV. You can open that CSV in Excel or Google Sheets to analyze buying behavior further. And one quick tip, whenever you want to apply a new filter, make sure to clear the previous one using the Clear button on the upper left side. This prevents filters from overlapping across dashboards and keeps your data accurate. Putler's revenue contribution metric helps you understand how much revenue customers contribute to your total sales. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to check out our other helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching.